Setting up inventory is easy with Opterix workflows. Let us see how you can set the stock levels in Opterix to match with the physical stock in your warehouse.
We are in the store dashboard. We go to this option called Initialize Inventory, where we select cassette in the categories because we want to set quantities of the cassette ACs in the system to what we have in the physical stock. We hit the Initialize Inventory option and we are presented with all the cassette ACs which have not been already initialized. Now we can set quantities of these items as we find in the physical inventory. If some of these items are not there in the physical inventory, we leave them as 0. For the others, we enter some numbers. At this time, we can also enter the minimum stock level. If an item goes below this minimum stock level, we will get alerts to make sure that we go ahead and purchase. After setting up the system like this, we hit save and next. That's it. These items have been initialized. We are being shown what is the current stock level. It is as we had just said. The initialize inventory can be done only once for each item. Subsequently, if you want to set the quantities of the items to match with the physical quantities, use this option called inventory closing. We will see that in a different video. Now, supposing you did not finish initializing all the items in one shot, you can do it again. Say we had done some cassette ACs earlier. Now we can do it again. This time it will show you less items. As you can see here, it shows you only the items which have not been already set once. So for the remaining items, you can come back and set the quantities as present in the system, as present in the physical warehouse. Anytime you can just come back to it and add more items and save and hit next. So this way you can do in small batches for as many times as required. The items are presented in the initialize inventory for as long as you have not completed setting them up. So supposing we move on to something else after this, then again the older items will still be presented here until you have completely initialized all of them. So whatever items are not there in the stock, just set them to 0. Just set them 0 like this, and maybe 1 or 2 items will be there, and save. That way all these items will be taken out of this initialize inventory option. Once you have successfully set up the inventory, you are ready to start making deliveries, receiving material into the warehouse, and in general maintaining the inventory. Watch these other videos that will help you do these easily.